Oh my goodness, friends and fam, it's your boy. Listen, today I thought it would be the perfect day to show you my favoritest lunchtime sandwich recipe. I've honed it, I've crafted it, I have got it damn near perfect over the years. Oh my willikers, I am so effing excited to show this to you. Just the idea of putting this on the internet is wild. Dude, this is gonna be nuts, dude. Are you kidding me? All right, let's get into it. Let's crack this sandwich open, man. So we start with a little bit of mayo, some spicy hot mustard, boar's head maple glazed turkey, Vermont white cheddar, tomatoes, a splash of Tabasco, and bean sprouts. And bang, there it is. So when I eat lunch, I really like to savor it. This is my time, man. No music, no podcasts, no TV, none of that hooey, man. It's just me sitting and collecting my own thoughts. Lately, when I've been having lunch, I've been thinking about this recurring dream that I have a lot. It's me on the beach, and it's a gloomy day, and there's a woman off in the distance, and she's the love of my life. I can feel it in the center of my chest. I just know it so absolutely. And I call out to her. But in this dream, my vocal cords don't work. They're choked. They just won't let me yell out to her. And then I start to think, even if I could, I don't think she'd turn around. I think she's made her mind up about me. And in this moment, I'm just shattered. I'm so alone. And just this feeling washes over me. It's this finality that only on this earth once. And sometimes it's too heavy to think about that, man. When you really strip away your vulnerabilities and your insecurities, and you're just left with that feeling washing over you. And it's so raw and so beautiful, and yet it's so absolutely terrifying. And after I eat, I'd like to have a little sweet something for myself. Keep it on the DL, but I like a dessert, man. I mean, I don't know about you. I like treating myself, all right? I'm one of these guys.